God complexes. Every fighter's got one. I mean, come on, when you can pretty much break anybody down like a bunk bed, it's kind of hard not to.
Super or otherwise, you're merely a man. I am a god.
That's why I go to jiu-jitsu training, specifically jiu-jitsu. Because every now and again, I like to get humble. And nothing puts you in your place quite like a 125-pound soaking wet IT nerd with a sadistic asphyxiation kink to remind you of your place.
That's right, tap out, you little bitch!
But what I wish non-training people realize is how in danger their lives are when they're arguing with me. I have unhealed trauma and way too many weapons at my disposal.
Don't give me no gun, man. You know what I'm gonna do.
None of which require a license. And the worst part, not only am I really good at using them, I'm looking for a reason. On the outside, I'm all...
Pride is not the opposite of shame, but its source. True humility is the only antidote to shame.
But inside,
I got murder on my mind. I got murder.
And I know God has to be a comedian. Because I used to get in fights all the time as a kid. And I wasn't half as good as I am now. A person would just look at me and be like, I think I could fuck that kid up. And all of a sudden,
Street Fighter Alpha 3.
but nowadays, nobody tries me. Which I guess could be considered a blessing in its own way, if it wasn't so maddening! Look, I'm all for peace and love, but I know I'm one asshole trying to start some shit with me away from a viral video that will launch me into stardom. And then G-Man knows it, which is why I'm pretty sure he'll never give it to me. But if it's any consolation, if only to me, I almost got one a few months ago. I was walking with my student after training when I noticed a guy walking behind us a little too close for my comfort. Instinctually, I put a barrier between him and my student. I put my student in a position and let the gentleman pass, in case that's what he was trying to do. And he passed by. Me and my student, we went on our merry way. I'm just kidding. The guy totally got pissed. As if me doing that made me a bad person. Started spouting some nonsense about not caring about us and looking for his money clip he dropped, blah, 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 blah. And I'm thinking to myself, if it wasn't that big a deal, why are you getting so mad? Anyways, he starts making threats at me, and in my head, I'm like, good Lord in heaven, it's happening! I'm about to get my Batman moment. Bitches better have their cameras out. He takes it even further, saying he would shoot me, and in his exact words were, "I blow your egg," which in all honesty, sounded a little gay. But hey, beggars can't be choosy. I think it's also not worth noting that the weekend prior, I had a fight at an MMA event in which I was totally fucking robbed. Like Malcolm X. Looking for a W by any means necessary.
Yeah, that brother's starving.
But the story gets kind of lame after that. He ended up doing a lot of posturing and back and forthing. Ultimately, nothing happened. But it also goes to show me that I am ready for the war. And if you're not careful, you might end up being my Batman moment.